there, it's Michelle from Goodness Gracious Gluten Free, and welcome to my online Nourished Festival booth event. Today we're going to be making a really quick chicken salad that I can't wait to share with you. So I have one of the beef-free pitas on a pan that I'm going to pop in the oven real quick and toast it, and it'll get puffy and we'll be able to stuff our delicious chicken salad right inside of it. Don't forget to check out their booth. They are at the Nourished Festival as well. All right, to make our chicken salad, I have 4 cups of chopped up rotisserie chicken, and you could sure by all means go ahead and make your chicken breast ahead of time, cool them and then shred them or chop them up yourself. I love the convenience of getting a rotisserie chicken that is gluten-free. It just makes my life so much easier, especially for a quick lunch or a weeknight meal. All right, to our chicken, we're gonna add in some celery. And if you don't like any of these ingredients, you can go ahead and customize it the way you like. And sometimes I'll add in some chopped up red or green grapes to this as well, or even dried cranberries. All right, and I also have some green onion. Put that right in our bowl. I have 1/2 cup of chopped up pecans. You can also use almonds. And I'm gonna do a pinch of herbes de Provence. I love the floral that this gives to the salad. All right, that's about a teaspoon. I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of mustard. All right, a little bit of pepper. And I like to add in some seasoning salt. That is, of course, gluten-free. You can just use regular salt if you'd like to. And now we're gonna add in our mayo and give it a stir and combine this delicious chicken salad all together. This is one of my favorite summer lunches or dinners if you don't feel like cooking. Especially I live in Arizona, so it gets super hot here, and I definitely don't like to turn my oven on in the summer if I can help it. All right, and just mix those all together. It'll be nice and creamy and delicious. I'm gonna get all those flavors mixed up. I hope you're having an amazing time at the Nourished Festival and you're checking out lots of amazing booths and people and companies that are really great for gluten-free living. I'm so thankful for this event. I think it's a great way to really get to check out what's new and what's coming up and get to meet really nice people too. Oh, and while we're waiting for our pita to finish toasting, I'm gonna chop up some fresh parsley to put on top of it as well. And I like to roll my herbs into a little bundle. It makes them a little bit easier to chop up, in my opinion. Perfect, I love how this adds just a little bit of freshness to our salad. Put that in and give it a stir while we're waiting. Our pita's looking good in the oven. All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and I'll be back to check on our pita in just a few minutes and I'll show you how we finish this all up. Okay, so my pita is toasted. It's nice and warm. I'm gonna cut it in half and then we can go ahead and fill it with this delicious chicken salad and lunch or dinner will be served. And I have these cute little taco holders that I used when we make tacos, and I'm gonna put my pita in that so it holds it up so it's easier to fill. And I like to eat this salad in a pita as well as just on a plate by itself or in a sandwich. It is so delicious and versatile. You can even eat it with like cucumber slices, which is one of my favorite low carb ways to eat it, or wrapped in lettuce. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this super easy chicken salad class, and I can't wait to see you in another class. I hope that you check out my booth events as well as my giveaways and my online cooking classes as well as my live Zoom cooking classes. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Have a great rest of the time at the Nourished Festival. And as always, best wishes for gluten-free dishes. Have a great rest of your day.